Hi, welcome to Mojo Designs, where life and art blend. Today we're going to be creating these adorable carrots, farmer's market carrots. This is inspired by Royalty Soaps, Katie Carson, the Duchess of Suds. She created a farmer's market theme for her soaps, and one of them included these adorable carrots. So this is my version and being inspired by her. I am using a 99-cent watercolor palette from Target just to show you that you don't have to use the most expensive or artist grade. You can use whatever you have. You can use reinkers, you can use water-based, pigment-based dye ink pads. Use that as watercolor. You can use these dye-based watercolors that I'm using today. You can use student grade or artist grade, whatever your little heart desires. I'm creating this video for my granddaughter. Her name is Ava. Hi Ava, Gigi loves you. She watches all my videos, which makes my heart so happy. And she is an amazing artist. She is 3 years old, and she is the light of everything. So she's a light of our world. She is just adorable. We have in our home a wall. It's called Ava's Art Wall. She sends us beautiful artwork all the time, and we absolutely love it. So this video is for you, honey. I hope you enjoy. What we're going to do is the colors that I was mixing, I tried to do a little bit more muted. When you're using dye-based, especially with the kids' version of watercolors, they're bright, and at the same time, they're not very strong. So I wanted to mix some muted colors. So for this kind of creamy color, I'm using the yellow with a little bit of orange and maybe a touch of brown. And then I'm using an orange and a violet or a purple. And what I'm doing is you want to make a wonky triangle that looks like a carrot. So really the shape doesn't matter. You just want to pull it down and make it look like a carrot. So there's no right or wrong. But what I am doing is once I have the carrot down, I'm adding a little bit of a darker color, whether it's a brown or whether, like on the creamy yellow one, I used orange, just to add a little bit of color variance. So adding a little bit of shading, and it's super simple. I hope you guys enjoy. I am going to leave you with some music right now as I'm painting, and I will see you at the end of the video. Enjoy! Now that we're at the end, as you see here, I'm trying to create a darker, I think I used like mostly black and brown and some of the other colors that I had mixed to try and do like the little lines. This is just to represent those when you pull a carrot out of the dirt. It just looks cute, makes it whimsical. So I'm creating that color that I want to use. I'm using a brush that has a super fine point. And I'm going to go through and draw a few of those little lines on each carrot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And Ava, let me know if you tried this video. We love and miss you. Thank you to everyone else for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we hope everyone stays safe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.